guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna assemble the ladder toilet for children, for toddlers, kids, babies, you name it. I am finally gonna start potty training my daughter. She is 2 years old, actually 2.5. This is time because next year I'm planning on putting her in preschool, and at the school that I'm putting her in, they do have to be potty trained. I have to get to it right now, so I'm super excited. I already bought her pull-ups and I got the Minnie Mouse one because that is something that she loves. She loves Minnie Mouse. And I also went ahead and purchased these cute little underwears. Look how tiny they are. I got some Minnie Mouse too. They're so adorable. So I have my seat ladder over here. I've tried a few different things before just to see if she was gonna sit on it, just to see. And I had the Minnie Mouse little toilet and she just thought it was more like a game thing, so I was like, oh, I don't know if that's gonna work. I also got the seat that you just put on the toilet, and I was wondering, like, how is she gonna go up there by herself if she has to go pee or poop? So I asked a few friends, a few moms that their kids are already potty trained, and they told me to get something like this one. So let's get to it. And before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's it. So it was super easy to put it together. It took me literally 5 minutes. It was super fast. Also, what I like is that they have spare screws, so if you guys need to change them or lose them, it's cool because they have a few. They also have the little piece that you put under so that it won't slip. I don't know how you call those, but it's those plastic pieces. So they have 2 of those and then like a few screws. Guys, don't lose this blue piece because you will need it. That's to screw everything in, so don't lose close it. And then also what I like is that they have the sticky velcros, so that's good to have. You never know. The instructions were super easy, but now I made the video, so you guys don't have to really look at it. You guys can just watch my video. I hope it's gonna go well. Oh, wish me luck, guys. I will definitely link this down below in the description, so if you guys are interested in purchasing it, go ahead and click down below. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.